What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to this new video on the OPENCAMPUS and the EDU token. Wanted to make a quick update on that. After yesterday we again had quite a volatile day, to say the least, for EDU. And we had a massive bearish breakout through this triangle. So what we'll do in this video is we'll do a quick recap of what happened yesterday, and then we'll also talk about what to expect from here. I have followed all of the Binance Launchpad projects for the last year closely, so I do have somewhat of an idea of at least what they did after the launch, and when they had moves like these. So we'll talk about that. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now onto OPENCAMPUS. So what you see right now is that the volume is probably up, I think. Oh, the volume is actually still down. It's been growing a little bit since that drop we had overnight. This drop, by the way, was mostly due to the market, just due to the market. I mean, Bitcoin had this drop as well. And sometimes you have that. From that Sunday to Monday, sometimes you can have sudden volatile moves, and that's what happened. There's no particular reason for it. It's institutional selling, fundamental, or at least whales, market makers selling. That's what it is. And you can be as prepared for it as possible, but sometimes you just kind of cannot predict it. But all right, but EDU, so what it did is that we had quite a big bearish breakout. Obviously, we still had this uptrend yesterday. We gave that up. 1.5 was too strong of a resistance. Then we had that bearish breakout. See, in normal market circumstances, we might have dropped down to 1.3 and 1.32 and just stayed on top of that. But with that increased selling pressure and momentum and lower volume, we actually pushed down all the way to this level right here, around 1.2. So now, usually what happens with these Binance Launchpad projects is that they will open quite bullish. Then they will settle down and they will consolidate relatively low. And then from there, they will actually, from that consolidation, at some point, they usually rally quite a bit. So I'm still bullish on the medium term for EDU, even though these are quite volatile times for crypto. I still am bullish on it. And I think there are some great opportunities. But for now, this is the 15-minute time frame. So we've only been holding this level for like 8 hours. So it's a little bit early to assess whether this is going to be our main support or that we're going to drop down even lower. So we'll have to wait for some sort of confirmation. For me, that would be, see, our main resistance level right now is 1.25. It's a psychological resistance level. There's some other resistance indicators there. So that's our main resistance. For now, I think we'll stay down below that. But if we can actually break above that, then I would say that 1.2 is going to be our bottom. From which we can actually at some point rally. I'm not saying that we will rally after this bullish breakout. We might still drop back down there, but I do think that that would be the main indication for all right, this is going to be our main support level. For now, though, there's still a very realistic chance that we'll drop down to, I would say, 1.1. There's a chance we'll drop down to 1.15 as well, but that 1.1, 1.05 level psychologically, but also technically seems like a more likely candidate as the next support. So right now we'll just stay in this consolidation. If we are not able to break above 1.25 within the next 12 hours, then it's more likely that we'll drop down to this level around 1.1 and 1.05. And then from there we'll try again. We'll see again if that can be the support from which we can consolidate and rally. But if we are able to break above 1.25, then we'll get up to, first of all, 1.3, 1.32. I do not think we'll break above that, but then at least from this consolidation between ultimately 1.32 and 1.17, we can actually at some point rally, I think. But I'll still update you on that. Let me know if these updates are still valuable to you and how much you'd like to see them. But for now, these are my thoughts on EDU. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.